everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am here to do the flip through of this journal that I created using the beautiful kit by Rachel of Rach and Bella Crafts. And this journal is also a giveaway journal. This is for hashtag Christmas Craft of 23, a huge, massive Christmas collaboration by Rachel. I hope that you have enjoyed this collaboration or are still enjoying it. Tomorrow is the last day and we have 3 crafters who are going to present tomorrow. And if you missed anyone, if you missed any video, don't worry, just type hashtag Christmas Craft of 23. You will see everyone who participated who are in this collaboration. You will also see the link in my description. And don't forget, there are lots of prizes to win, and this is one of the prizes. This is a Christmas recipe journal that I embellished, and I already showed some of the pages in my video a couple of weeks ago. And in that video, I also showed you how to make recipe cards, how to embellish them, very simple recipe cards. And I'd like to let you know that you gave me so many wonderful ideas that I can use in my next and future projects. Some of you have asked for the freebies or free templates, the recipe templates that I created using Canva. And so I created a coffee shop so I can give you those freebies. And I am very happy to share those templates with you. So I will provide in my description the link of my Ko-fi page and you can grab those freebies. I also invite you to follow my Ko-fi page so you can grab more freebies. I will try to add more images and files there, but again, I'm very new to Ko-fi. I'm still trying to figure it out, so please be patient with me. So going back to the giveaway for hashtag Christmas Craft of 23, please remember to watch all the videos, like, and also comment so that you will have the chance to win those prizes because there are over 50 beautiful prizes. If you could also subscribe to each channel, that would be so much appreciated. It does not cost a thing to subscribe. And your subscription, your support means a lot to us. So please also subscribe. It is not mandatory to be entered into the giveaway, but that would be so nice if you could do that too. So this recipe Christmas journal comes with these 2 envelopes, and inside these envelopes are more ephemera or cards that you can use when you journal. These gorgeous papers and images are from the kit that Rachel provided for us, and I also added this beautiful lace and lovely clip. This envelope is full of wonderful goodies. I won't show the elements to you because this will be a nice surprise to whoever will win this. And this envelope, you already know what's inside. This was shown in my video. These are the journal cards or recipe cards. Very simple cards, no embellishments. You can decorate them however you want. And plenty of space to write on the back. So this could make beautiful recipe cards too. Okay, so there you go. These are 2 envelopes filled with wonderful goodies and this Christmas or recipe Christmas journal waiting for one lucky winner. This journal has only 1 signature, but all pages are embellished. Here is a snowflake charm. This is another clip. And this is a soft cover journal. Some of the edges are decorated with trims and laces and pom-pom, plenty of tags and recipe cards. I also added this gorgeous lace. This can be used to embellish another project. So what I'll do now is do the flip through, play some music, but I hope that you stay. There is another journal that I would like to show, and that journal is also a giveaway. So I hope that you don't miss it. Just enjoy the music, enjoy the flip through. I'll be back. So there you go, everyone. This is my recipe Christmas journal with all these tags and embellishments. You can use these to write your favorite recipes that you'd like to preserve and pass on to your family. And if you would like to get more templates, don't forget you can grab them from my Ko-fi page. They are free, but you can only use them for personal use, not for commercial use. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, that would be so much appreciated. So I mentioned that I have another journal to show you, and this is it. This is another Christmas journal, not a recipe one. It does not have a theme. but I used my All is Calm digital kit, which is also available in my Etsy shop. The link will also be in my description. It's a huge digital kit, and this journal has 2 signatures. I will not do the flip through today because that will be in my next video. And I hope that you stay tuned, and I hope that you join this giveaway. This is for my channel, and you will have to be a subscriber to my channel in order to win this giveaway. This Christmas journal has plenty of vintage Christmas postcards, and the giveaway is open internationally, but you need to be a subscriber, and you also need to be at least 18 years old. Another criteria is to follow me on Instagram if you have Instagram. Follow my Facebook page, also my coffee page, and when I do the flip through of this journal, also leave me a comment. So those are my very simple rules in order to get a chance to win this Christmas journal. And the giveaway for this Christmas journal will start when I do the flip through, which I'm hoping is this coming weekend. So I hope you join. I really appreciate your support. And again, I am very grateful for you. So bye now. God bless you. Till next time.